Hey guys, let's just apply the guest middleware to our user, right? We will use the guest middleware. For example, you can see the Billy2 is logged in, right? Now, if I just go to my user/login page, and you can see we can still see even Billy is logged in, and we can still see the login page. So we need to avoid this error, okay? I mean this issue. So if I just go to my project and then open up the file user controller, right, and we will simply need to add the construct method as we have added for admin panel, right? The constructor, and then of course we will apply a middleware for that, and the name of the middleware would be auth. And of course we will not include other methods, for example in our the index method, the show. It will basically cover all the methods, the index, the show, and if we have even log out and all the methods, right? Sorry, basically we don't need to add this inside users controller. We need to cut this from here and then add it inside our sessions controller, right? Because our login and logout or all the things are handling by the sessions controller, right? So this has been added. Now where it has to redirect it. So if I just open again up my app, HTTP and controllers, middleware, sorry, redirected if. So it is redirect us to user/profile page. If we try to visit this page, okay, it's still not working. Oh yeah, we don't need to use guest here. We need to use auth here. We should use guest, so in order to work. There we go, that's working perfectly, right? Now if you just try to log out the page, now this method is again not working because this middleware is applying for all the methods, store, index, and all the methods. So we need to say just accept logout method as we did in our admin section. Just not exist, that's accept. Sorry, we just don't need to use this method here in our middleware. Accept logout method. Now it will do not see any logout method in his middleware. So if you just reload the page and go back and log out Billy, okay, there's syntax error somewhere. So if I just open up this, oh yeah, we need to add semicolon. So if we just reload the page, there we go. That's working perfectly, right? Simple and nice.